The portable package is for traders who want a lighter install path. Some traders prefer a portable utility they can extract, place where they want, and start without a full installer flow. The portable version is built around that simpler path. A trader would use this for running the timer without a full installer workflow. The practical benefit is a lighter install path for traders who prefer portable desktop tools. The one rule is simple: extract before launching. The launcher is intended to run from a normal extracted folder, not directly from a zip preview window. Extract first, then launch the portable helper. A trader would use this for extracting the tool to a simple folder for lighter desktop use. The practical benefit is faster first launch after extraction with a shortcut created automatically. The launcher can create the desktop shortcut automatically. After extraction, the portable launcher starts the widget and creates a desktop shortcut. That gives the user a more normal desktop experience on later launches without a formal installer. A trader would use this for starting with a launcher that creates a shortcut for later sessions. The practical benefit is an easier way to carry the timer workflow into a simple extracted folder setup. Portable works best when the path is kept simple. For traders who want a lightweight utility, the portable version is straightforward: extract, run the launcher once, and then use the shortcut or the executable from the saved folder whenever you trade. A trader would use this for running the timer without a full installer workflow. The practical benefit is a lighter install path for traders who prefer portable desktop tools. Final privacy and purchase details. This mini candle bar timer video focused on how a trader can use the timer in a real trading workflow. For privacy, the widget itself runs locally on Windows and saves its settings in the user's local profile. If you want to purchase the mini candle bar timer, visit www.werner-tools.com. The current price is $10. Thank you for watching.